Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we created a SharePoint list. In this video, we will be updating a SharePoint list on submission of a Microsoft form. Let's get started. We will go to Power Automate platform and create an automated cloud flow and add the trigger when a new response is submitted. We will select charity form here and add get response details action. We will select charity form and response ID from dynamic content. Now we will search for SharePoint and add create item action. The site address is Power Automate Flows and the list name is Charity Submissions. Now we will select title, email, amount and donor type and choose their values from dynamic content. As these values are of string type, so we will need an expression in the amount to convert it into the integer value. So we will use int type expression. Now we will continue for saving and testing this flow. We are submitting this form for Shivani Sharma. She is a first time donor and donating an amount of 5000 rupees. As we can see, our flow ran successfully and the details are also added on the SharePoint list. And that's it. In the next video, we will create an automated cloud flow and trigger it when a new item is created in a SharePoint list. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.